Okay guys, so the first thing you guys do is, of course, you gotta call the insurance company and tell them you got in a car accident. And then they're gonna tell you the step-by-step instructions on how to get that estimate. Sometimes they'll come to your house, sometimes they just want you guys to take a picture, or they're gonna FaceTime you. During COVID right now, all they do is ask for pictures. We send it via email. So they're gonna give you the directions like side by side, front, different angles, so they can see clear before you guys take off the parts. And then after that, once you take a picture of how the car looks during the accident, they're gonna ask you to disassemble the car and take pictures of all the damaged parts or where you think the damages are. And then they're gonna estimate it and send you guys the estimate, and then after that, send you guys the check, okay? So first, let's disassemble the car. Well, actually, hold on. Let me show you guys a walk around of how the damage looks right now. So right here, the damage is all on the right side. He did bend the tie rods over here, and I'm gonna show you guys how that looked like in a couple minutes here. And then the bumper looks like it's gone, the fender's obviously gone, and then we're gonna disassemble it and see where else is damaged. So right here you can see the fender liner and all that stuff is broken. So first we're gonna disassemble the front bumper. If you guys look over here, you guys gonna see the video how we actually disassemble this step by step, because this is the same exact vehicle we did a conversion on, but unfortunately they got another car accident. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble the front bumper. So right here, right off the bat, this part is already broken on this vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and take a picture of this and send that over to the insurance company. So with the bumper removed, we can see that we're gonna need a fog light right here. Of course, we need the fender liner, the fog light itself, which is broken. We're gonna need this bracket right here. We need the fender and also the bracket. And I think the headlight's broken. Yeah, the headlight's broken too. So right here, so we're gonna need new headlight also. So usually to get that fixed at a local repair facility, it's probably around like $400 to $500, but we got all the parts pretty cheap at the local parts store, so we're gonna do it ourselves. So now I'm just gonna take out that little bracket. So now that's all. It's held on by a lot of bolts. Right, we needed a bumper. I went ahead and put the accessories on this one, saved me some time, but we just needed the brand new bumper. We got the old bumper that was damaged off. All right, so now we know we needed the bumper, the fender, the bracket for the fender, that bracket that was on here, the cover, the fender liner. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it back together. And also the headlights, forgot about that. And the fog lights actually. So after we disassembled the car, what we needed was a headlight. The new one up there. We needed fog lights. We needed this bracket. We went ahead and got some clips because you know those clips are gonna be broken. We needed a fender. Here's the damaged one. We needed that bracket right there. So there's that bracket. We need this cover right here. We needed a fender liner. Alright, so now we're gonna put this bracket back on. A lot of these parts are just bolted on, so it doesn't require any real technical expertise. So So just bolt it on, it all line up. Alright, so that's how you know that you need a new tie rod, inner tie rod. Basically, this one's straight, this one's crooked. Alright, now we're gonna put the fender on. But one thing you're gonna do is on this corner right here, slide the fender in so it's in between the bolt and the actual frame of the car. And then right here, make sure the fender goes over this, so towards the back, facing you this way, because you're gonna have to screw that screw inside here. So let me show you guys how that works. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put that bumper on. Alright, so now that the bumper's on, we kind of sped through that one, but you can look at the videos on our channel to see how we install the bumper. And now that we have the bumper on, we're going to go ahead and go to the other side, put the covers back on, and also put the emblem and the toe cover. And now we're going to be complete with this car. So we're going to put this cover on. I'm going to put this on. Alright, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and put the emblem back on. The tow hook cover back on. Alright, so hopefully this video helped out a lot, giving you guys a little bit of understanding how the insurance company works, how you guys can fix your own vehicle. ReveMoto.com can provide all those parts for you. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. Hopefully this video helps out a lot, putting a little bit of money back in your pocket. But again, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Thank you.